Hi, welcome to this DCP web tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable Facebook dark mode. So let's go ahead and open up the web browser. I'm going to go to my Facebook page. It doesn't matter if you're looking at your business page or you're looking at your personal page. Here you can see my Facebook business page, and I want to set it to dark mode. So you can see there's a lot of light color scheme here. So I'm going to click on this drop down menu and then enable dark mode here. So I think this is a bit easier to see things. It's a bit easier on the eye, especially if you're looking at web browsers most of the day. It's nice to see this in dark mode. So I think this is a good feature that Facebook have built in, and it just makes life a little bit easier, I think, to read content. And a lot has changed on Facebook recently, so you're probably seeing a lot of new updates, the way that the pages are laid out, and things have changed quite a lot. So I'm going to be going through quite a few tutorials showing and explaining some of the new features that I found on Facebook. But for now, my favorite feature is this dark mode, right? So you can just click here and enable it and disable it. It doesn't matter where you go into Facebook after that, whatever pages you're looking at, you'll always see them in this dark mode. Okay, let's go ahead and minimize this. That's how you go about enabling Facebook dark mode on your web browser. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next DCP web tutorial.